So I've been having this issue with the Xbox app wherein it downloads all the games really slowly, or at times it completely stops downloading them at all. So as you can see, it's around 400 kilobytes to 500, and sometimes it goes to zero. So I have been facing this issue with other clients such as Steam, EA, or Ubisoft Connect at all. And my internet speed is around 50 to 60 megabits per second, so you're not getting the expected speed at all. What you can do is first try all these steps mentioned in this video. The guy goes through 4 to 5 different methods to fix this issue, and according to the comments, most were able to fix their problem. However, in my case I wasn't, so after further searching I came across this Reddit post wherein this person had mentioned the steps to change the DNS settings, which work fine for me. So you can go through all these steps manually, or you can go to this site, click on this icon to download the setup. After downloading, click next, install, yes, yeah. So click on finish. The icon should appear on your taskbar. If not, then click on this show hidden icons set button. Click on Cloudflare WAP. Next, accept. Click on the settings icon and make sure that this option is enabled 111 with WAP. Okay, now let's see. I'm getting around 1.1 megabytes, which will keep on decreasing as you can see. So let's click on this, enable this. We're connected. Let's see now. Yeah, as you can see, the speed is now increasing. Yep, there we go. So I'm getting like 7-8 megabytes per second. Do note that the the Xbox app does use micro megabytes as the unit. So as you can see, my speed was 58 megabits. So I'm getting around 7 megabytes on the Xbox app. So 7 into 8 is 56 megabits. So yeah, I'm getting the expected speed now. Hope this method helps you as well. Thanks for watching.